What if an enemy missile was launched toward India today, and India's defense system could detect it hundreds of kilometers away, track it in real time, and destroy it before it reaches its target? That capability just became even stronger. Today's newspaper reported that India has received the 4th squadron of the Russian-made S-400 Triumph air defense missile system. The delivery took place in May 2026 and as part of the massive $5.43 billion defense agreement signed between India and Russia in 2018. But why is this system so important? Because the S-400 is widely considered one of the world's most advanced long-range air defense systems. It is designed to detect, track, and engage multiple aerial threats simultaneously. These threats can include fighter aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and even certain ballistic missile targets. The newspaper highlighted that 4 squadrons have now been delivered to India. The 5th and final squadron is expected to arrive in 2027. But there is another major development. The report stated that the S-400 system will now be integrated with artificial intelligence-enabled decision support capabilities. What does that mean? AI will help military operators rapidly analyze threats, prioritize targets, and improve response times during high-pressure situations. However, the newspaper clarified that final engagement decisions will remain under human control. In other words, AI can assist, but it cannot independently decide to fire missiles. This approach reflects a growing global trend where militaries are combining advanced technology with human oversight. The article explained that the induction of additional S-400 squadrons comes as India continues strengthening its air defense architecture. The system significantly improves India's ability to defend critical cities, strategic military bases, and important infrastructure against aerial attacks. The newspaper also noted that India continues to deepen defense cooperation with Russia despite changing global geopolitical dynamics. And if you enjoy defense technology, military strategy, and current affairs explainers like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe motivates us to create more high-quality educational content every day. Experts highlighted that modern warfare is increasingly being shaped by technologies such as artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, electronic warfare, and integrated missile defense systems. The S-400 represents the intersection of these technologies and remains a key pillar of India's strategic deterrence capability. The biggest question now, as AI becomes more deeply integrated into military systems worldwide, how much decision-making should remain with humans, and how much can be trusted to machines? Because the future of warfare may depend not only on missiles, but also on algorithms. Stay informed, stay aware, and follow for more powerful current affairs explainers every day.